Good morning. It is 7:07, baby. I go get. When I first started in social media stuff, like I was making gaming videos back in the day, like on Destiny, Call of Duty, and that channel grew pretty fast. But it was interesting because I never really talked a lot about myself. I think I probably had like 2 or 3 vlogs that I was actually talking about like my life and doing a vlog on like my actual life of baseball, school, like our dog, things like that. And I got really good at doing tutorials and gaming videos, but like it was like a different character of myself. And I think these vlogs are interesting because I'm actually finding my own character and finding kind of who I am more through this style of content, which has been interesting. So I think it's been cool more to document and to kind of show the ups and downs. Like, I mean, I think it's weird talking to you guys right now, honestly. Vlogging is such a weird concept because I think it shows the most intimate parts of your life, and I guess that's why people resonate with it. Like the videos I resonate most with on YouTube are vlogs like this. But I think I found it hard for myself to show that side as well. So it's been interesting. It's been an interesting dichotomy between, okay, do I show myself online and be vulnerable, which I know is exactly what people want, but also puts me in a place of incredible discomfort. I think one of the videos we posted yesterday was about like how to change your life to get actually super rich, or it was something like that. But talks about system thinking and how everything interconnects, right? But you have to fix your mind first. You have to fix your health first, right? Before any of the other money comes. We got one guy that booked a call 5:30 a.m. Mountain Time for his call, and I was like, Christian, I don't know if this guy's gonna show, so we're trying to double book him. But it looks like he showed so far, so we'll see. So we have some money that's supposed to hit. I have like $4,000 that's like coming in the mail right now from some past people that owe me money. I'm owed so much fucking money right now. But I texted my mom and I was like, hey, did you ever get a message about, or from the PO box about the money that should be getting sent to me? And she was like, no, the only mail looks to be a complaint from the BBB. I'll share the login for the postal. Crazy. What you'll find is that when you have 1,800 plus people, 800,000 followers over on Instagram, and then, you know, I think we have like 12K on YouTube, but not everybody likes you. So that's part of it. Literally, this guy, we got him in the program. He still owes me money. And then I reach out. I was like, hey, we had to expedite this because you still owe us. He owes us like $2,000 right now. Hey, we have to expedite this to our accounting department, whatever. They reach out. They're calling him. And then he reaches out to me personally with like this long fucking letter. And like, hey, I'm going to report you. We're going to do all this stuff. I calm him down. I'm like, hey, we're actually going to help you, find a role. I've sent probably like 15 different roles into our sales community. And I think out of all the time that we've been operating, like this has been the best student success that we've like had ever. And then this shit happens that he actually submitted a complaint. So that's the growing pains of running a business, but there you go. Okay, so yeah, bro, that's nuts. Like we're getting reviews like this shit. And then my mother texts me and like, hey, the BBB is reaching out. Wild. But yeah, anyways, I'm in shorts, so we gotta go get dressed and we're gonna hit the gym. Furman, the Uber. Yeah, he's here, so I say bye to Maria. Say hi to the dog. Bye. Camel. Cool. How's it going, brother? Morning. Good, how you doing? You from Canada? I'm from Turkey. Oh, Turkey. Very nice. Yeah. It's like wake up at 7, pound of coffee at 7:10, Uber, get another coffee. Since it's from Tim Hortons, it's the best. I hate the weed too hard. You send an 8-minute voice, don't straight from the heart. I reply like, yo, whatever. When can you come get your stuff?
One thing I like about the gym is that normally, well, sometimes I go in the afternoon, but in the days that I go in the morning, this is like the hardest thing I do all day, right? So I know that once I get this done, anything else that comes today, right, will be so much easier.
Jobs for the narrow, but still my mind was on the zeros. I fiend for the perks that was seen flipping birds. So we was skipping church, but my eyes was on the sparrows. Niggas flipping pies, spending thousands on a payroll. Shit, I wanna shine too. I want dimes too. Jealous niggas wanna know just how my rhymes blew. Mono, I'm Bono, I'm you times two. Now
So I realized this morning that I'm getting closer to 30. I had a white hair, really fucking white. I'm gonna pull it out. I don't know if you guys can see that, but in the mirror, you can see the white hairs. So we gotta go 9:30 here. So we gotta go get eggs at the grocery store downstairs at Longo's. And then we're gonna head home, grab the Uber. We got a 10 a.m. Monday mindset call with all of our modern SDR students. And then we got discovery training right after that. So gonna be ripping. Catch you guys in the store. 9:35. Got a little bit of time. It's for breakfast today. Off. We got beef. We got eggs. Should be set. Protein for the day.
Scan frequency. Please wait. System processing. Please remember to take your receipt. Please remove all.
Uber back now. 12:83. Welcome to Toronto. Concrete jungle right there. The boys coming. How's it going, brother? Morning. Appreciate you, bro. Well, I think she's awesome. Okay. Thank you, sir. Appreciate it. Moving the whiteboard in, and we're going to be going through how to change your life and actually get stupid rich. We got Monday Mindset Call going live here this morning. Going to be pretty sweet. We're going to be going through health, wealth, relationships today, and should be a good one. But yeah, we should be going live. Got a few people coming in here. That's always awesome. Yeah, it should be solid today.
Just wanted to say hi.
Hi, congrats on getting a role. That's awesome.
Yeah, I'm working now, so.
Awesome. Enjoy it. Is today the first day?
Yeah, I did my onboarding yesterday, and I got up at like 5 a.m. to start doing DMs, so I haven't even like got myself together. It's only DMs, so I can be in my pajamas, so who cares?
No, there you go. That's awesome. Well, send in best wishes. Well, cool, guys. We will be starting here shortly. Got the whiteboard today. You're going to be kind of doing that for Monday Mindset Call. So going to be a little bit different than before. But if you give me like 30 seconds, we'll be getting here set up shortly. So to truly build, wealth and in not just money, but also in all aspects of life, there's kind of three main segments that go into this. So on today's call, I want to break down how to kind of analyze each of these three, kind of parts that build up our system, which is ourself. Not necessarily give us like ourselves a rating on that, but like see where we can improve. So this was honestly one of the best coaching calls ran in a while. Maybe we'll put some of that up on the screen, but we are going to go get Maria checked out, having some stuff happen. So we're going to go head on over to the clinic, taking her work, everything there with me. Hopefully, I'm sure she's all good, but yeah, just making sure that's getting taken care of. So yeah. Good. Should be set. How's it going? How are you? We almost forgot her wallet in this Uber. Look at this beautiful day, though. Woo! Beecroft Clinic right there. Clinic was no help, so now we're crossing the street and we're checking out the other side. They close apparently at noon. But look at this. This is not what you get. This is not what you get in Texas or Hawaii, to say the least. We are definitely not bundled up enough for this. It's fucking cold. Are you warm?
No.
My hands are about to fall off again. Woo! Wow. Fuck. So we struck out at the second clinic. I think we're gonna set an appointment here, hopefully, but gonna be grabbing some food. It's about noon here in Toronto on this Monday, so I think we're gonna go get some food out by one of the areas. We're close to the gym, so walking down back towards that area. We get some lunch. Maybe find a coffee shop from there. In the cold here, it's hard to like find a lot of things to do. So Maria and I have been spending a lot of time indoors, but I think we're starting a dance class. We're starting a tango or some sort of salsa or bachata. Bachata? Barata. Bachata. I think it's bachata.
Oh, yeah?
It's 100% bachata.
Oh, sorry.
Almost positive. But yeah, I think we're starting that up soon. Finding a few other activities out here too in Toronto in the winter. I think there's like another 3 months of this white stuff. Yeah, it's good. I'll catch you guys once we get to the restaurant though.
I couldn't believe it. As soon as I bought my Cuban chain, she called me back. As soon as I ice her on my wrist, she got attached. And see on DC.
So of course we end up going to Whole Foods. This is I think we've been here like 3 times this week already. And what's today?
And
Today's Monday. We've been here 3 times already this week. No, just this weekend. But I think this is our best lunch spot. They got outlets for computers and everything. They have coffee. They have breakfast. They got everything. Woo. I'm feeling sandwiches. I had 2 boiled eggs. That does not sound the best. Pizza? Sandwich. Pizza? Sandwich. Pizza? Sandwich. Although all this food here is fresh. I think I'm gonna get this stuff over here, love. I think I'm gonna get either sushi, these. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get chicken scallopini. Yeah, I know, but it's perfect. And there's a microwave. Yes. How are you? Doing well, thanks. May I just do the chef's meal deal? Chicken scallopini, potato salad, and it's 2 sides? Entree, 2 sides? Yes. Sweet. Yeah, the chicken, this potato salad, and then I'll do the Brussels sprouts, please. Thank you. It's healthy right there. Are you gonna get anything? Why? It's been secured. My other camera died. Mic died, so we're settling with this, but gonna go sit down, get the computer set up, get this ready to go.
This is so dumb.
What?
The Jesus, where Jesus is sharing, you know.
Yes. All right, so we just got back home. Gonna be doing some of the editing today here, probably even for the vlog you're watching right now. We have a few video editors, but like I'm actually like trying to like make these vlogs in a more particular, format. So been good to actually play around with some of like my creative side. It's been a while, most of the time is spent like training the team and everything like that, but I think this has been a good way for me to just explore more. Right now we're looks like we're at about like 15 minutes, so it should be good. But gonna be editing that for a little bit, and then I will catch you guys there on the next video. So probably gonna end up wrapping up the vlog here. It was honestly a pretty good day. Had a great Monday mindset call, was able to connect with our students, give updates on the team. But this is, a normal day in my life. I think, for the past 2 or 3 years was traveling quite a bit. Then ended up staying in Brazil for like 5 or 6 months, stayed in Texas, seeing my family for like 2 or 3 months. And then now we're back in Canada for Maria's master's, kind of just, doing all that. But it's nice to be in one place. I think I'm finally able to be in like a good routine, and the business is always smoother when, I'm not traveling and things like that. So I hope you guys did enjoy. Let me know if you like seeing this style of content. Drop any thoughts, suggestions in the comment section, and I will catch you guys in the next one. This has been Kekoa. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you soon. Cheers.